better, make me strong. Something this right can never be wrong. I want you more now. I saw you the other day. You see me in a different way. The feelings remain the same. Accidental love. I'll still always love you. Always pure and true. Because of all of you. Accidental love. You are kind. You are great. I lay back and accept all fate. Regular entry right there. Expect this. You know it's something I can't resist. Make me better, make me strong. Something this right could never be wrong. I want you more now. It happened so quickly. I met you on a Wednesday. A double take was all it took. Accidental love. Little three-piece white original song right there. You knew it was coming? Greg Lindsay gonna sing this next song for y'all. To the beat, woman, I'll shoot like you up, yeah. Here's how I roll, animal print, pants out of control. This red fool with the big afro, just like Bruce Lee, I've got to go. Ooh, ooh, girl, look at that body. Ooh, ooh, girl, look at that body. Ooh, ooh, girl, look at that body. I'll work out. How y'all feeling today? When I walk in the spot, this is what I see. Everybody stand here staring at me. Got a passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it, show it, show it. Ooh, I'm sexy and I know it. Sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. When I'm at the mall, scooter, just can't find them all. When I'm at the beach, I'm in a speedo, trying to tan my cheeks, yeah. Here's how I roll, come on baby, it's time to go. Head to the bar and I don't need no shoe, no shirt, I still get service. Ooh, ooh, girl, look at that body. Ooh, ooh, girl, look at that body. Ooh, ooh, girl, look at that body. I'll work out. When I walk in the sun, this is what I see. Everybody stand here staring at me. Got a passion in my pants. Ain't afraid to show it, show it, show it. Woo! I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it.
got a lot of bands coming up. Tell them about it. We got Mr. Shane Vanacore coming up. He's playing a little bit later.
Yeah, round 3. We got
he also-
Dustin Ray. And we have...
He has a CD right here, $10. You can talk to his lovely wife Monica in the back right there.
And then we got Wayne
Singleton.
Singleton, same old two-step.
Thank you, DJ.
You got that, Greg? Why's my microphone running away from me?
Yeah, maybe. Didn't mean to treat you idiot. But anyway, yeah, maybe. Some would say life was easy, but you lived anyway. Oh, maybe. Your friends that stay beside and want to come home, and you fall to the ground. Then someday people look at you, what they call their home, and watch you suffer. Yeah, they hear you calling home. Then someday we can take our time to brush the leaves aside till you can reach out. Yeah, but you let me fall behind, yeah. And baby, I didn't mean to treat you all so bad, but I did it anyway. I felt bad on it. Some will say I love with what you hear, but you couldn't share the pain, no, no, no. Couldn't share the pain of what you suffer. No, maybe. Couldn't make my own mistakes.
This is killing me.
But I live with what I know. So maybe we're not cheering something great. Won't you look at where we're gone? Won't you look at how we've gone? Then someday comes tomorrow holds sense to what I feel for you in my mind. And I trip the final line, that cold day when you lost control. Shame you left my life so soon, you told me. Yeah, but you let me fall behind, yeah. Baby, didn't mean to treat you all so bad, but I did it anyway. I still, yeah. Some say you left with what you had. Oh, but you couldn't share the pain.
Don't do that.
No, no, no,
Get
no.
on the phone.
All right.
Woo! No, I'm not.
Thank you. Okay, yeah. A lot of people here were in this video. We put a video on YouTube, and
Yeah!
y'all helped us record the video for this song. So
Yeah!
you can hear this on K-Ball, Mustang 87.7, and a few other radio stations. 10 gallons of gas for the generator. Just the right amount to get us home. cheese and ice in the chest. Just enough bread, you can handle the rest. Yeah, it's time for a hurricane party. Me and my people ain't my favorite little shorty. Now it's time for a hurricane party. Yeah, it's time for a hurricane party. About to go down once we get it started. Now it's time for a hurricane party. You're right. It's all propane bottles, a Coleman stove. The boat is fueled in case we have to move. Too much beer for the next few days. But a party will happen, it doesn't matter what the weatherman says. Yeah, it's time for a hurricane party. Me and my people and my favorite little shorty. Now it's time for a hurricane party. Let's go! Yeah, it's time for a hurricane party. About to get stupid and I get me started. Now it's time for a hurricane party. And if you ain't from the South, you have no clue what this is all about. Do it, Greg. Come on, everybody. Yeah, it's time for a hurricane party. Me, my people, and my favorite little shorty. Now it's time for a hurricane party. And won't you say that you love it now? It's time for a hurricane party. About to get stupid once we get it started. Now it's time for a hurricane party. You're right. Yeah, you're right. Right. Thank you.
Man. It's killing me. I need a break. Take a break.
Not too bad. It's
Y'all
all
doing
right.
good.
Good. Oh my
Matt
God.
LeBlanc is our biggest fan.
Matt LeBlanc from One Trick Pony is running sound for us. Give it up for Matt LeBlanc.
Let's get a hand for Matt.
Do it!
Matt, step out the trailer and give a bow.
Give away, wave, like
The one and only Matt LeBlanc. Matt, please step out. Everybody, please applaud this guy. He is the man. And I'm jealous of his hair.
He does have good hair.
Another song. That was so awesome. Hey, y'all seen this camera? Dawn. It's Dawn. Quit embarrassing yourself.
What?
Nothing.
What you say?
I said quit embarrassing yourself.
Nigga, shut up.
1, 2, 3, baby, here you come with me, 'cause you look so fine. I really wanna make you mine. You look so fine, really wanna make you mine. 4, 5, 6, come on and get your kicks, 'cause you don't need no money if you look like that, do you, honey? Big black boots, long blonde hair. She's so sweet, with a dead last stare. I can take you on with me, but you were with another man.
said, are you gonna be my girl? So fine and I really wanna make you mine. You look so fine and I really wanna make you mine. 4, 5, 6, come on and get your kicks where you don't need no money when you look like that, do you, honey? Big black boots, long blonde hair. She's so sweet with her deadline stare. I can tell you are with me, but you were with another man. Yeah, I know we ain't got what to say before I let you get away. I said, are you gonna be my girl? Come on and get your kicks so you don't need no money when you look like that, do you? Big black boots, long blonde hair. She's so sweet with her dark blonde stare. I can take you home with me, but you were with another man. I know we ain't got much to say before I let you get away. Be my girl, be my girl. I said, are you gonna be my girl? That's right. We 3-piece white. I hope y'all enjoying it so far, guys. Woo, a little mellow acoustic music to warm up for the full bands that are coming up behind us. By the way, we're all 3 guys up here with 3 acoustic guitars, so if there's any drummer that can follow us, hey, we're all about it. Please come up. Now, if you're not good, still come up, because it'll be fun.
I'm coming up.
Hey, you know what I want to do right now? Hey, where's Landon at?
Where?
Paige,
Hey, where's Landon?
where's Landon? Let
Come on,
him,
Landon.
let him back up 3-piece
Come
white.
here, boy. I see you over there. Get your butt over here.
We're gonna do something with Landon. Now, you might not be able to see him over the barricade we got right here.
Look, hey, dude. All we're gonna do just a little blues mix for you. You on the spot, Bo?
Hey, Matt, can you give him a little bit in the monitors? Now get up and Paige's son, play the drums. Landon. My boy Landon's on the drums. He's rocking it out today. Make some noise for St. Jude. Come on, let's have a day. It's a beautiful day. Oh yeah. Hope you're all gonna Jason Massey in the house. How you doing, sir? I like my t-shirt.
Oh my God, vote for that guy.
Vote for Mesh.
He's
Vote
got
for
perfect
Mesh.
hair. I have none. Shut up.
Jason, you want to sing a song, brother? He's good? All right, maybe later.
Vote for me in November. Y'all ready for the fun portion of the night? Hey, shut up, Jason. You make hair.
Hey girl, let me holler at you. Hey girl, let me holler at you.
Whoa, I've been watching all night as you swing them hips. Sipping glasses by the fellas while you lick them lips. On the dance floor, and you're sure looking fine. At the end of the night, yeah, I'm gonna make it mine. I said,
Hey girl, let me holler at you. Hey girl, let me holler at you.
you see the music starts bumping and the time's right. I'm about to make my move on you tonight. Build up the courage and ask you to dance. Think I'm gonna take my chance. And hey girl,
let me holler at you. Hey girl, let me holler at you.
see the drinks are flowing and the time is right. I'm gonna make my move on you tonight. I build up the courage and I ask you to dance. Wait on the courage, I'm gonna take my chance. I said, hey girl, let me holler at you.
Hey girl,
Let me holler at you. Greg. I get you on the floor for the final dance. I guess that white boy finally took his chance. The floor's still bouncing and you start to swerve. Skinny little white boy found some nerve. You see a dance with you was my only goal. Then you lean in to whisper, oh, mister, take me home. I said, hey girl, let me holler at you. Hey girl, let me holler at you. I said one more time now. Hey girl, let me holler at you.
oh yeah. You got on now. All right, this is another three-piece white song right here. We had good times, bad times happened too. Through it all, friendship remained true. At this magic moment, we lock eyes. The whole world stops, and nothing's a surprise. Why not fall into passion for a night? Why not feel its tender touch? Why not make time stop? Hey, why not? We can't help ourselves, your body's too damn strong. We fall through his mercy, it never feels wrong. Gentle kiss, a whisper, it, a wicked fire flame. We embrace it all, with passion remains the same. Why not fall into passion for a night? Why not feel its tender touch? Why not make time stop? Hey, why not? for a night. Why not feel its tender touch? Why not make time stop? Hey, hey, why not? Yeah. Three-piece white song right there.
Dustin, give Miss Ashley. No, I gotta do this. Give Miss Ashley, tell her to give me a bottle of water. Tell her what she's doing. I can't have to do this. Give me a bottle of water. Miss Ashley. Hello. Avery. 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 No, I can't do this. Mr. Gray wants me to do this.
And Mama told me when I was young,